Let's start with something we're all supposed to agree on. Cold email doesn't work anymore. It's outdated, it's intrusive, it goes straight to spam, and yet, you're watching this. So maybe the real issue isn't whether cold email works. Maybe it's whether it's done properly. Most businesses treat marketing like a food buffet, a spoonful of Google ads, a slice of social media, a sprinkle of ads in the local press, a dash of LinkedIn, and a helping of an email campaign when things feel quiet. They pile it all onto the plate and hope it somehow becomes a strategy. It doesn't. It becomes expensive and it doesn't deliver results. Because tactics on their own don't create growth. Structure does. At Elygra, we've spent over 25 years helping organizations communicate clearly, not louder, clearer. We understand positioning, we understand trust, we understand how people actually make decisions. And generating new business follows exactly the same principle. Cold email isn't the hero, it's the introduction. Google confirms you exist. LinkedIn and social media reassure them you're credible. Short video explainers like this one show you actually know what you're talking about. When someone receives an email and then checks you out, everything they see should align. That's what turns curiosity into inquiry. Most businesses aren't short of activity, they're short of integration. When your messaging, visibility, and follow-up work together, new business stops feeling random. It starts feeling deliberate. And yes, cold email still works. You're proof. If you'd like to replace the buffet with a system and generate new inquiries with intention, let's have a conversation today. No jargon, no pressure, just clarity. Elygra. Integrated communication, structured growth. New business, done for you and done properly. Thank you for watching and speak again soon.